Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need two things before you begin: current iOS and your Apple ID signed in. First, update iOS if needed. This avoids compatibility blocks. Once done, open Settings and confirm the Apple ID at the top. Make sure you remember the password for any prompts. Next, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug the charger if battery is below 50%. Now, go to the App Store reinstallation flow, swipe down on Home, search App Store, and proceed to the next step. Now you'll find whether the App Store is offloaded or hidden. Open Settings General iPhone Storage and scroll to locate App Store. If it shows offloaded, tap to reinstall. This restores the icon and data references. If you don't see it, you search again. Sometimes it's hidden via screen time or restrictions. Go to Settings Screen Time Content and Privacy Restrictions and allow installing apps. Once allowed, return and attempt reinstall. Make sure to stay connected to Wi-Fi during the reinstall. Finish by restarting your iPhone. This clears any icon cache and finalizes the App Store restore. After reboot, tap the App Store and sign in with your Apple ID if asked. If the icon is still missing, go to Settings General Reset Home Screen Layout. That returns any hidden icons. If you encounter errors, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or reset network settings to fix connection issues. Key tip: when all else fails, backup and restore from an iCloud backup to recover system apps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.